This is a review of the CHANNELLOCK, the new SpeedGrip tongue and groove plier set. So what's unique about these new CHANNELLOCKs is the old ones you had to open up your CHANNELLOCKs and align your grooves and get to your position that you wanted, bring them back together, try it, and if that didn't work, reposition. Not that it was difficult, but it did take a few seconds. What they've done now is on the joint of the CHANNELLOCK there is now a push button, and there is a finer set of grooves. Let me show you right here. So this is the push button, that when you push that button, okay, now you're free to slide. If I let go of the button, they're locked, right? So you now have finer serrations on this end because you're no longer worried about the big cogs that you had on the older style. So this, I'm pushing with my thumb. I just got my thumb back here, so I can go to an object, like say this handle here, and I can basically, even one-handed, run that down close, so that now I have total capability with the tool. So anyways, that is the new CHANNELLOCK SpeedGrip. So what they tell you in their literature is that the reaming feature for deburring pipes, right? So they give you this this serrated edge on each side of the head. So they're saying that could be used for deburring, knocking slag. Laser heat treated teeth grip 2.5 times better than traditional CHANNELLOCKs. The fast and easy push button locks securely into any undercutted channels. So these are obviously targeting welders and pipe fitters. The safety stop feature prevents finger pinch, and they're showing down here in the bottom here. So if you notice with these, they no longer crush together like your older ones would. When you were using them, you would come together, and if you had your hand in some weird position, like that, you would potentially be able to get together. But even in this area, there's other than the very, very small amount that you see, let me see, I'm holding it wrong. There's a very little bit of shearing action occurring right in here, but it's very targeted, very small area of shearing. The CHANNELLOCK Blue molded non-slip grips for ultimate comfort and control. The CHANNELLOCK SpeedGrip tongue and groove pliers make fast and easy non-slip adjustments so that you can get the job done quicker. Engineered with innovative laser heat-treated crosshatch teeth for superior grip and legendary CHANNELLOCK strength that lasts. SpeedGrip pliers are made in the USA, actually right here in Pennsylvania, up near Meadville. Made in the USA from high-carbon U.S. steel, with remaining features and non-slip handles for maximum durability and functionality and comfort. Okay, these are CHANNELLOCKs, real live CHANNELLOCKs, so they are lifetime guaranteed. Now, real quick, let me grab a pair of my CHANNELLOCKs. See if I have any old CHANNELLOCKs around here. I don't have any in this box. I have them all out in my truck box. Everything I have here is Craftsman. But these do fit the bill as CHANNELLOCK quality as far as the fit, finish, the feel in the hand, the ease of working the mechanism on each of the tools is very nice, easy. They've done a little bit different. I don't know if you heard me while I was reading the card. They did do something a little bit different with their teeth. Let me see if I can show this to you. So what they've done is, rather than just a set of parallel lines machined in as teeth, what they're now doing, let's see, I don't know, can you see that there? This is now a crosshatch, so they're perpendicular to each other. They've machined them like that across the face of the jaws, right? Both the head and the jaw has been machined that way. So, and that's on all of them. So not sure how well that's going to show up in video, but all of them function nicely. This one here is a little bit stiff. I've been playing with the other ones, so already kind of worn it in, burnished it in a little bit by playing with it. But like any of your tools, they'll loosen up also over time. But these are, you know, I can't say enough. Like when you go to, like, you know, the Harbor Freight, you know, you go anywhere like that, or you get the new Chinese imported Craftsman stuff. Everybody makes copies of this old school, real American stuff. CHANNELLOCK is one of the companies out there. Unlike, you know, like even your Snap-on stuff anymore, a lot of it's imported. But CHANNELLOCK is an American-made company. This is pure old school, small town Pennsylvania. Look up Meadville, PA, where CHANNELLOCK's from. I mean, that is like oil well and farm country up there. That's it. So these are really good quality. I do recommend them. Go ahead and check out. Like I said, they're called the CHANNELLOCK SpeedGrip. They have a set on Amazon. It gives you all three. So you end up having, let me see here. You end up with the 440Xs, the big ones, the 430Xs, and the 428Xs in one box. And what I'll do is I'll put a link down below, and I'm not monetized. I'm not affiliated with Amazon. I'm putting a link down under the comments, so that, or sorry, in the description, purely so that if you want this item, you can find it easily, because it is a really good quality item. Again, I am not monetized. I've never made a penny off of anything I do. All right, check them out, man. CHANNELLOCK, they're really good. Thank you.